Today we want to talk about the hidden victims of the opioid crisis. We're talking about children. We've got Tammy Silverman, who's the president and CEO of the Indiana Youth Institute, in studio today. It's always good to have you here.
Thank you.
How big a problem is this for children in Indiana?
It's a tremendous problem in the fact that we know that many kids are being removed from their homes because of their parental substance abuse issues.
We've seen these photos and we've done stories of parents abusing these drugs when their children are in the back seat. Here's this sort of this infamous picture of this woman who's blacked out here. Are you seeing this kind of thing across our state?
Across the state, unfortunately. And what we've heard is DCS now has the largest number of children in custody that we've ever had in Indiana. We're not unique. Other states are struggling with the same issue. But the reality is what's happening with those kids. And many times, fortunately, there are relatives around that can step in and help out. But there are some additional barriers and some ways we can make sure we're helping those relatives.
I want to put a graphic up on the screen so our viewers can get an idea of really the problem in terms of numbers. This gives you an idea, just maybe a fraction of the issue. 52% of children being removed have their parents dealing with substance abuse. That's a huge number.
It's a huge number, and that's when it's the primary cause. When you look at it as a secondary cause, maybe the primary cause is violence, domestic violence. If you look at it as the secondary cause, that number jumps to 80%. So many of these kids, and often little kids, are being raised in homes where opioids or other substances are present to the extent that they need to be removed from that care. They can no longer stay with their parents.
All right, so what can we do as a community to help solve this issue for these hidden victims, these children?
Well, and solving is difficult, right? Unfortunately, there's no one right answer, but there's a lot we can do. One, you can encourage those folks, if it's a grandparent who's taking care of their grandchildren, have them become a licensed foster care family, because that triggers a lot of additional supports, including financial support. Many times people don't realize that that comes along. In addition, perhaps in your church or in your school, ask if you know of families that are doing this. Are there aunts? Are there grandparents? And do a fund drive. Do a drive for supplies. There are a lot of parents, or a lot of grandparents and aunts and uncles that are taking care of children that they didn't plan to. So we can just help out with that. Diapers, formula, books, toys at this time of year are really important, and just that kind of extra neighborly response can make a big difference.
Good advice. Tammy Silverman with the Indiana Youth Institute joining us here to talk about Indiana's opioid epidemic. This is an important topic.
Always.
Thanks so much,
Of
Tammy.
course.